Shaking felt across the Bay Area this afternoon as a swarm of earthquakes hits near the Sierra. Aftershocks still being felt at this hour. Thanks for joining us, everybody. I'm Vicki Liviakis.
And I'm Catherine Heenan in for Grant Lotus tonight. We felt the shaking in the studio in the newsroom about 3:50 this afternoon while we were on the air. The first earthquake was a 5.9 south of Lake Tahoe near Nevada. The USGS, by the way, is going to hold a news conference which could happen just about any time. We will bring that to you live when it begins.
Okay, so here's a look at how widely the earthquake was felt. You could see all across the Bay Area, people reported feeling shaking, rolling. We received calls from viewers in the North Bay, the East Bay, South Bay, saying that they felt it too. So here's a look at all the aftershocks indicated by the red dots here. You can see at least 13 registered so far. A 4.2, 3.7, 3.5 hit just minutes later in Markleeville.
And Chief Meteorologist Lawrence Carno. Lawrence, you've been tracking these. Just the fact that there's this many in this swarm in a concentrated area is a little troubling.
Yeah, it's really fascinating. You know, we're on that boundary between the North American and the Pacific Plate. Apparently, there's been a little bit of a shift, and that's why we're seeing numerous earthquakes out there. And, of course, this all started this afternoon. You felt that shaking out there. Maybe you felt a little dizzy, and you thought, what was it? Well, that was an earthquake. We had that first one near Farmington, and that one coming in at 4.8. Now, that's somewhat interesting because at the same time, we were rocking and rolling up in the Sierra Nevada, and it all happened within a minute of each other. So that depth on that one, 4.5 miles, and then we were really shaking up in the Sierra Nevada. And look at that. I mean, it is really going up there right now. We saw the magnitude 5.9. That's south of Topaz Lake, and then we had a magnitude 4.8, 4 miles south-southwest of Lee Vining. So all the way up and down, really, the Sierra Nevada, you can see that right all the way down 395, very active. And if you've driven along this area, you notice that there's some volcanic areas up there. And certainly along that zone, we've seen an increase in some activity all the way down to parts of Southern California. And last year, we had that activity as well. We saw some major earthquakes out toward the desert. So here's the very latest here, and you can see all these earthquakes that have been picking up over just the past couple of hour and a half or so, but continuing along this line all the way down into Mammoth Lakes. You can see that area had some earthquakes just a little over an hour ago. So this was not just located in one spot. This is across a good part of the Sierra Nevada, a little further to the north near Lee Vining. We had that earthquake pick up, and some of these quakes, they were fairly strong. This one near Lee Vining was a significant quake. That one at 4.8 at 350. Then just to the west of that, you had some minor quakes, but also those occurring near the same time. Now, as we move further north, that's where we have the larger earthquake, but all along this area, if you've driven past there, you have actually maybe seen some of those volcano mounts up there. Kind of interesting, maybe something moving underneath the ground, maybe some magma moving. We just don't know yet. But numerous quakes in and around this area. And boy, they have just been one after the other. I was talking to Catherine and Vicki, and I've got at least 20 aftershocks that have taken place since that significant earthquake first kicked in. And then now they continue to rumble. So we are far from done with this. We just had, just 2 minutes ago, we just had another earthquake of 4.0. I'm reading that right now, 4.0. Near Colville, California. So that's in that same location. So it is not settled yet. We've got a ways to go before things are going to settle down here. So this could go on for some time, not just the next couple of hours. This could go on for a few days before everything begins to settle down as that earth begins to settle down in that area, guys. But we're going to be tracking it all night long. Looks like we've got a ways to go before we're done with this one, guys. Back to you.
All right, Lawrence, we'll be talking to you. And we are standing by again for the news conference from the USGS. We will bring it to you live when it begins. And right now on KRON4.com, we have a section dedicated to earthquakes, specifically today's swarm of quakes throughout the Sierra and early morning quakes in the North Bay. And there's information on the USGS Shake Alert app and a lot of advice on earthquake preparedness.